This is how to tell if a Pokemon pack is real or fake. If it's fake, it has spikes on top. But if it's real, it's clear. Well, not clear, but like it doesn't have any spikes on top. And we're going to be opening the fake pack first to see what we get. And where I get the fake packs, everything we get in the pack is good. Like we got a V-Star, some full arts. Like we got this. Like all of this is good. Okay. And also, if you rip a card and it doesn't have black ink, it's not real. And let me open this. I can't open. Let me, wait, one sec. Okay, I got it. Get rid of that. 1, 2, 3. Did I do it wrong? I think I did it wrong. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I did the card trick wrong. Is there even a card trick for Surging Sparks? Yeah. Okay. And that's how you tell if a Pokemon pack is fake or real and cards are fake or real. Wait, let me show you the black ink. See, black ink. Okay. That is how you tell if Pokemon cards are fake or real or packs are fake or real. Tell me in the comments if I missed anything. Bye.